Yes, hello everyone. My name is Mumbe Robert, a student at Mbaro University of Science and Technology, and I'll be taking you through database programming today. So, we are going to be dealing with the data definition language and the different commands of create, insert, drop, truncate. So today we shall be solving all that. Yeah, we shall be doing some analysis of this work through this database programming. So let us kick into. So let us begin by creating. Let us create a database uh, and create a database. Let's create the database. Create database. Create database. Health. Health. And call it healthy. Database healthy. So enter. So we have created a database. That is the database healthy. So let us see whether we have that. Show databases. So we use a keyword show databases to find out the databases that we have. So shall say show databases. Show databases. So shall have show databases. Let's enter. So we said show databases. So this is not good. So it is show databases. Show databases. Then you say show databases, then enter. So we have our help there. So this is our database. So we shall be using this. So let us use database. Database. Let's use database. Let's use health. Yeah, healthy. Healthy. Let's use database. Healthy. So we are good. So we are in our database. Let's create something in our database that we are going to deal with. So let's create a table. So we put our data in tables when you're doing database programming, and all the analysis is done through that table. So create table. Let's call it malaria. Let's call it malaria. Yeah, create table malaria. So what do we need in our table? We need an ID. So we shall have a patient ID, which is of type int, and let us set it as our primary key. Primary key, and it should also auto increment. Yeah, should auto increment. Auto increment. Also auto increment. Then also we can have our first name. Yeah, first name for the patient. First name for the patient. Let us give it as a data type of voucher. So we can give it to how many digits, how many alphabets should be in the name. At least let us have 25, and also you can have the last name. Last name also you can give it varchar. Then 25. Also you can give it 25 to work. Then also you can have another thing that you can have. Let us have the age. Yeah, can have the age of type int. Just give it a space. Let's have 20 digits entered. So one can't do million years. Let us have which other stuff. I think we can also have the gender. Gender is a car, and you can pass each one digit, male or female. So we can have this as our data create table. So press enter. So we have created our table. let me show you the table. So we use the keyword describe malaria. Yeah, so describe table malaria. So this is our table. Yeah, this is our table. I have the ID. So 11, not now. So this ID should not miss out. If it's 12001 002 003, it should not miss out. So it's just auto increment. Yeah. So let us try to insert some data in our table. So we use the keyword insert into malaria. Remember our table is called malaria. So insert into malaria. What do you need to insert in our table? Okay, I think you can have, you say there, you can have the first name. Yeah, have the first name, then last name, last name, and you can have one. You can also have the gender. Let us first have the age, then gender. Yeah, then after that, in gender, we have pass our values. So we can say values. So let us enter our values. Yeah, we are entering our results. So which other person? We can have you can also have patience. Yeah, you can have patience, 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 patience. You can call patience. What's the last name? Then you can call her Joanne. Joanne. Yeah, Joanne. Then how old is she? She's quite old, 37. And have she's a female. Yeah, female. Then you close and terminate. Then let us run our code. Yeah, so we have created the table. To see the table, we use a keyword there, as I told you earlier before. Then we say describe describe malaria. Describe malaria. Be keen of the spelling that you're using. Describe malaria. So this is what we have: an ID, first name, ID, gender. Yeah, so that's what we have. So that's describing. So let us select, that is describing, sorry. Let us select all. So we select from, all from malaria. Yeah, enter. So as you see, this is Ngombe Road, Bed, Ben, Masereka. Yeah, so this is our data in the table. So at this moment of this data, we can still look at so now let us go in for how we can deal with this data. How can we deal with this data? Because we are going to do some modification about our data, and let us begin with the alter. So alter is a key word that is used to modify data. So we use the alter to modify data. So let us try to use the alter to modify our data. So alter, we can use the add, we can use the change, we can do the renaming. So let us do all that. Let us get into alter. So alter, you see alter table, then you write the table name, which is malaria. So let us add something. Let us try to add a district. Add district. So district is of which type? Vulture. Okay, it's a vulture. How many? Give its estimate. Let us, yeah, is So let us add the district of our child. Let it have 25. Yeah, taking 25 alphabets inside there. So what do you get? Enter. So listen. So we have added that. Let me show you what you have done. Describe malaria. Remember, we are dealing with a table called malaria. So in describe it, you see we have the district. So we have added the district into our table using keyword alter. So we added the district. So that's when you use the add. So let us try to change train. Also when you are changing, we use the keyword alter. So alter, we say alter table malaria. Then we will bring the keyword change 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 let us change district change district change district change district mind of the spelling change district. So we change district, let it be residence, let it be location. Yeah, so what are entering, which type of is it? So location also can be about child. Yeah, val char of how many? Let us have 20. No, let's have 30. Uh, so we have the 30 and then enter. So we have duplicated this and we have that. So what we are going to do, let us try to describe describe malaria. So when we describe malaria now, it will be so yeah, see, we have changed the location now. Yeah, we have changed the location. Now we are good to go. Okay, so far we are doing so well, and we are still. So we have changed the location, and as you see here, so here it was district, now it is location. So all those are the techniques of the alter keyword, alter command. So let us also try to rename. Let us try to rename our table. You can say alter alter table, then table name, that's malaria. Alter table malaria, and then let us rename it. Rename which kind of, what can you rename it? I think we can rename it to uh, polio. Polio. Yeah, let us give it polio. So we can rename it to polio. Yeah. So we have renamed. So if you are to say, so right now if you say, if you like want to access malaria, like you want to describe malaria, you will get an error. Yeah, you will get an error. Table health malaria does not exist. But now if you are to describe polio, because we have changed, if you are to describe polio, you'll find that you can still access our data because we have renamed. So if you rename, you use the other keyword, the other name that you have used to rename. Yeah, so we can also do the alter. We can try to change the setting of this. Let us try to change the age. Let us make the age to be the first. Yeah, let's try to make the age to be the first around here. Let it be here, not the ID. Let the age be the first. So we can use also alter the table. So that's alter table. Which table are we? It's polio. Remember, we have changed. So alter table, we add the column. So let us add the column. Let us first add the column. But okay, let us not use age. Let us add another column of status. Let us add a column of status and add the column of status. Yeah, status, give it vulture. char of let it hold 25, let it hold 25, and let it be in the first, as I've been telling you that it should be the, but I've changed. Let us have it in the first here. Let us have it in the first row. So enter. So let's try to see whether what you have done is correct. So we describe and we say, yeah, status has come as first. So our status is the first. Because we shall first check your status. Which status? Is your polio? Is there severe? Is having severe condition? So that's what we shall be checking. Yeah, so that's the alter keyword, and let us try to go for, so for perhaps now that that's the alter keyword, and we have done some modification, and so that is the alter command. Let us also look at updating. Yeah, we can also have the updating. You can update the name, like you want to change the name, you want to change someone's name, and if I were to look here up, let us try to change Obed. Try to change Obed to Emma. No, not Emma. Let us call him Isiko. Isiko. Yeah. So we shall use a keyword update. Update table. Update table. So you can say update table. Update table. You say update table. Sorry. And say update table patients. So you can have we can leave out the keyword. Can have update polio. Remember we changed update polio. Let's say use the keyword set. Update polio set. Okay, let us say our first name. First name. Update polio. First name. First name equals to Obed. Let us first name equals to Isiko. Yeah, let us have Isiko. Yeah, where ID equals to 1. Yeah, we can have that. Where, yeah, enter. Then we can do the selection. Let us try to, I think it has done it. So let us to do the selection. Okay, so let us try to say select all. Select all from polio, and see whether changes have been done or the updates have been done. So yeah, just done. So recently here we had Obed, and now it is Isiko. So that's how we use update. You can still update. You can still update Masika to another one. You can still update here. You can update this and this or change. So where you say you can update the name, the last name, also the last name. Yeah. So we just follow that criteria. And also, okay, let us also look at delete. What if I want to delete? Let me delete Emma. I don't want Emma John. Let me delete Emma John. So we use a keyword delete. We say delete from polio. Where Emma, where delete polio. We are looking at delete from polio, where let's say ID is equal to 4. 4. 4. 4 is equal to 4. Yeah. See. So select. So when you select, 4 has gone away. When you select, you have 4 has gone away. So for that case, yeah. So that's how we deal with the delete. So we have deleted 4. 4 is out. So let us try to check. Someone might ask you, I want to see someone. I want to see Esther on it. So how can I access only Esther on it? So to access only Esther on it is here. So to access only Esther on it, we can use select all, select all from folio, folio. So I want to see the status of Esther. So I can say select all from folio where and say where my ID is equal to 5. Yeah, 5. So enter. So you see, so we are only accessing Esther only when we use that. So that's also you can as well use that to access other members. But there are some that can say I want between this and this, so also have a keyword called between and also coordinates and images with the select. So you can say select. Okay, select from that where you can say select from that where ID is 5 and let me see where ID is equal to, let me say where ID between, I can say where ID between, so it's a select folio where ID between, let me have number 1 up to number 5, between number 1 and 5. Yeah, let me first access, I want to first access that data. So you see I can still access, so we use the keywords. So select from that where ID between that and that, so you get that whole column, the whole trunket of data. Okay, so we can also say give me up to this limit, so we use a keyword limit. You can say select, select from folio, may limit up to 5. Just a limit up to 3. Limit 3. So limit 3. So when you limit 3, that's what you get. So basically we have to just deal with data in here we use this this database programming also can use for analyzing data, doing the data analysis. Yeah, we can use it for doing the data analysis. Oh, we can also use sort. Let's try to sort our data and say select. You can say select let's say let's select all from folio, select all from folio, select all from folio. We can say select all from folio, order. So this is where the keyword comes in, order by, select all from folio, order by ID, order by ID, let's say my ID, let's say the same. Yeah. So yeah, you see, so we have got so we are beginning from the one who has the highest ID up to the lowest. I think such. So if you have to say, okay, that is descending from highest to biggest. Also the names you can do for that. So I can still say Let me deal with my last name. I can deal with a first name. Let me deal with a first name. Let me deal with a first name. Yeah, first name. Order my data, but from the same, but by the first name. So when I enter, that's how I do it. The first name, you see, PMIEB. So from the highest alphabet to the lowest. Okay, that's the way we deal with data. That's all about database programming. We can also drop, we can truncate. So let us try to use a keyword. Let us try to use a keyword of truncate. Let us do truncate. So basically, if you are dealing with a truncate, you have to, before we use it, let us, because if you use the truncate, we can truncate a table. So we can truncate the whole of the table that we no longer need polio in our database. So we just truncate it. So we can use truncate and drop. So for today, that's what we have covered. Before I do the truncate, because if I do the truncate, I'll be powering all my data that we have done with you for today. So you have been very good people. Just like, comment. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a joyful day. It's a weekend. Enjoy it. I'm Mombe Robert from Bara University of Science and Technology. Yeah.